What up, guys? It's Caitlin back again with my parents here. And today we're going to be doing something really cool. What are we doing today? We're
Taking
gonna
a
go.
helicopter ride.
Yeah, we're going on a helicopter ride. Now, they've been on a helicopter before. I have not. So this is going to be a whole new experience. I'm going to be documenting the entire thing and putting it together and throwing this out here sometime later this weekend. So let's go. All right, guys. So, thoughts on the helicopter ride?
View was incredible.
Yeah.
Totally good takeoff, good landing. Neat feelings.
Yeah.
The touch and goes were a little bit scary, but all in all, really good, fun.
Yeah.
Kayla, what do you think?
Oh,
Well,
it
fun.
was great. It
Really
was
good.
really great. It was so pretty. Autumn's my favorite time of year, so seeing like all the trees and the colors was really great. And just seeing the whole world, well, not the whole world, like the whole state or part of the state, but from like a different perspective is great.
I like seeing Como Zoo from the air.
Oh, yeah.
CHS feel from the air. Pretty cool.
All right. So that was basically us and a helicopter ride. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button, click that subscription bell, hit the notificational bell, and I will see you guys very soon.
What's the next
Bye.
adventure?
Yeah, what's the next adventure? Who knows? Bye.